Hey guys, so we're going to be making a gluten-free tart. We're going to start off with our oat flour and our butter. In our butter we also have the sugar and salt. So we're going to throw that in. And then we're going to give it a mix. You can all do this by hand, you don't need a fancy mixer for it. So we're going to keep mixing this, and then we're going to add some water to help stick it all together. You can make the oat flour just by blending some porridge oats or whatever, you don't have to buy fancy flour. So we're going to try and mush this into a ball that holds its own shape without crumbling, and then we know we're on the right. There we go. Poke poke. Holds our divots right, and then this is a pie dish with foil to hold all the liquid and stuff that's going to happen. So we're going to push this in to shape. Use a spoon. I used my digits. And then we're going to stick this in the oven at gasmark 5 for 12 minutes. I use some cooking beads with some baking paper, just so it holds its shape. You don't have to do this, but it's a good step. Now this is 4 eggs, and then that is 200 grams of sugar with 2 teaspoons of cornflour to make more of a marshmallow consistency of meringue. So we're going to slowly add our cornflour sugar mix to our whisked eggs, or whisking eggs, because it's in the process of being mixed. And this is going to took me about 20 minutes. So our pie dish is in the oven right now, and then we're starting our meringue. So when our pie dish comes out, there'll be another 10 minutes for our meringue, which gives our pie dish enough time to cool down as well. It's all coming together. This is me frantically checking for some eggshell. I thought I saw some. Give it the old beady eye look. No, you don't have to add the cornflour. You can do without. I'm just trying something new. It'll be fine without the cornflour. It'll be fluffier. So we're going to keep adding our sugar slowly but surely. You could use any electric whisk, and if you're mad enough, you can try and hand whisk it. Let me know how that goes. Leave a comment below if you are mad enough to hand whisk some meringue. There we go, that's the last of our sugar. We just got our pie dish out the oven, we let it cool down for a bit, we're giving it the old squidge test. It's a bit wet, my version, so probably should have put it in a little bit longer, but it's fine. So we're going to fill our pie dish now with some lemon curd. You can make the filling yourself or whatever, but it's just easier to just buy some lemon curd. Well, it's a pound, and it tastes fine. Put it in, fill it in, done. It's about making life easier and tastier. Right. Don't have to make everything by scratch. So it's all ready. And we're going to put our meringue on top. Right now we're testing it, moving it side to side. If it moves, it's fine, but we don't want it to flow like water. We want it to be solid. So we're going to put our gas mark 4 for our final pie for 20 minutes or until the meringue is brown on top. Now remember, if it's longer than 20 minutes, don't turn the heat up. You're just going to burn it. So just put it back in and give it more time. There we go. Our meringue pie is done. Give it the old poke test. And then pull some off. See how it's light brown. Give it all chomp chomp chomp. Tastes fine, tastes good. And we're going to let this cool down. You have to let your meringue pie cool down. If you don't, when you cut into it, all your lemon filling will fall out. So just let it cool down, put it in the fridge, eat it the next day or whenever. Don't try and cut into it straight away, it'll just fall apart. There we go, final product. Now, tastes fine, tastes good. The only problem that I had with it was my base was a bit soft and a bit plain, so next time I'll be adding more sugar. But I hope that was helpful. Hope it tastes good, and let me know how yours went in the comments below. Bye guys.